This procedure will show you how to upgrade your VVAX portable transmitter to the latest software by using a USB cable and your PC. This upgrade will add a new menu structure and will upload the multi-frequency submenus. First, you must identify the current software that the transmitter is running. Remove the battery tray by unlocking the clips from the bottom of the unit. This will give you access to the USB connector on the bottom of the transmitter. Attach one end of the USB cable to your PC's USB port and the other end to the bottom of the transmitter. The unit display will tell you the current software that your transmitter is running. In this case, bootloader revision B is the old software and needs to be upgraded. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 16 screws from the transmitter housing. As you begin to separate the housing, be sure to disconnect the keypad cable. First, you will need to remove the induction coil connector, the USB connector, and the power in connector. Now you will need to slide out the circuit board. Be very careful not to remove the delicate LCD flat ribbon cable that is located toward the rear of the circuit board. With the controller board fully accessible, locate the 8-pin connector. Remove the link from the programming pins on the controller board. The next step is to download the SoftwareUpgrade application from www.microchip.com. Click on MP Lab IDE. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and download the latest application of MP Lab. Download the application and install it. Plug in the Microchip MP Lab ICD2 programming box to the nearest outlet and connect the USB cable to your PC. VVAX will provide you with the MP Lab worksheet that you need in order to upgrade your transmitter software. Locate the VVAX files on your PC and launch the worksheet file that ends with MCW. You now need to connect the special VVAX cable to the pins on the controller board. Pin 1 on the VVAX cable must line up with pin 1 on the controller board. The cable has been marked to show where pin 1 is located. The controller board's pin 1 location is simply the upper left pin. Your next step in the MP Lab application is to select the Reset and Connect to ICD2 button. You must now upload the program into the unit. Select File, then Import. Now select the file that ends in HEX. Finally, select Program Target Device. Next, remove the programming cable out of the pins of the controller board. Return the link onto the programming pins. Begin to slide the controller board back into the unit, but be cautious not to crush the LCD flat ribbon cable. Reconnect the 3 cables that had been previously disconnected. You now need to verify that the new bootloader has been installed. Link the USB cable from your PC to the bottom of the transmitter. If you get a message that says boot, then the new software has been installed correctly. Before assembling the transmitter housing, remove the USB cable from the bottom of the unit and reconnect the keypad cable. Secure the transmitter housing with the 16 screws that were previously removed. Launch the VVAX TX Loader software. Reattach the USB cable to the bottom of the transmitter. Select Load File, then choose the VPF file. Select Program Device. You will see the progress on both your PC and on the transmitter's LCD display. Remove the USB cable and reattach the battery tray. Now, when you power on the transmitter, you will notice that the configuration and the software have been upgraded. You can now observe the new features of the VVAX portable transmitter. Pressing the information button will give you the speaker level, voltage, current, and will now allow you to cycle through and select your desired frequencies. By using the function button, you can quickly cycle through all the frequencies you have previously selected. The transmitter will now allow you to output dual frequencies by using the information button and then selecting your second frequency.